Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare TradingView and Thinkorswim. We'll dive into their core functionalities, looking at what makes each platform unique for traders. Understanding their differences in charting, analysis, and overall user experience is crucial. This comparison will help you decide which platform best suits your trading style and needs, whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor. TradingView shines with its incredible charting capabilities and a massive community. You can access thousands of custom indicators and strategies, often shared by other users. Its web-based nature means you can trade and analyze from virtually anywhere, on any device, without needing powerful software. This flexibility, combined with its social features, makes it a favorite for many technical analysts and active traders. Thinkorswim from Charles Schwab is a powerhouse for serious traders, especially those focused on options and futures. It provides incredibly deep analytical tools and allows for highly complex order routing. The platform also comes with a wealth of educational content and excellent customer support, which is invaluable for mastering its advanced features. Its integration with your brokerage account offers a seamless trading experience. Ultimately, your choice depends on your trading style and needs. If you prioritize advanced charting, social features, and a web-based platform, TradingView is likely a great fit. However, if you require deep options analysis, complex order types, and a fully integrated brokerage experience, Thinkorswim stands out. Both platforms offer powerful tools, but cater to slightly different user bases. Make sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.